This is MetaShare. I will now show you how to find and work with documents in MetaShare. On the left-hand side of the page, you find the metadata filters that are configured to be shown in this workspace. These filters are just examples, and you can easily define the filters that you want to use in your organization. On the main part of the page, you find a list of all the documents, where the latest modified documents are shown on top of the list. Information about the documents are shown in columns. In this case, we see area, document type, keywords, and company, as well as the document's version, when the latest were modified and by whom. There are many documents in this workspace, so to find a specific document, I can either search for the document or I can use MetaShare's intuitive filtering technique. I will here show you how to filter for documents, and will do it by filtering on sales-related agreements. To narrow down the documents in the list, I can choose to filter the documents on one or more dimensions. In this case, I will start by opening the area filter and select Sales. What we see now is that we got a breadcrumb on the top of the list, indicating that we have filtered on sales-related documents. We also see that the documents in the list are tagged with sales. But there are still too many documents in the list, so I will filter on another dimension. In this case, on document type. Instead of opening the document type filter, I can click on any of the document types presented in the list, in this case on agreement. The number of documents in the list has now decreased, and I will probably be able to find the document that I was looking for. If there would still be too many documents, I could continue filtering on any other dimension to further narrow down the documents in the list. So that's how simple it is to find documents in MetaShare using document filters. I will now show you how easy it is to upload documents to MetaShare. I open my File Explorer and just drag and drop the documents to MetaShare. Automatically, MetaShare grabs the document's name and automatically tags the document with sales and agreement, and that's the context of where I am in MetaShare. I just need to click on Save, and the documents will soon be shown in the top of my list, as it is the latest sales-related agreement. Similarly, I can upload an email by just dragging it from Outlook to MetaShare, and it will automatically also be tagged the same way as the document that I just uploaded. I click on Save, and the email will be shown on the top of my list. I can also work with MetaShare documents directly from within Microsoft Teams. In the Agreement channel within the Sales team, I have a Teams tab called MetaShare. I click on it, and the same documents that I presented in MetaShare are now presented in this Teams channel. Here I have the same capabilities as in MetaShare. I will now show you how I can create a new document. I click on New, and the new document's property card will be presented on the right-hand side of my screen. I give the document a name, New Agreement with Company X. Since we are creating a new agreement, MetaShare presents me with a set of suggested document templates for agreements. I select the Assignment Agreement template. I then tag the document with Company X. I click on Save, and once again, the document will be presented on the top of my list. Thank you for taking your time to see this video. Please take your time to look at some other of MetaShare's videos available on metashare.com.